ReachifyMe AI has just been released, and if you're looking for a powerful tool that can completely transform your digital marketing efforts, then you need to know about it. This review breaks down the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping into ReachifyMe AI and why it could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First, let me tell you, ReachifyMe AI isn't just another software. It's a dynamic tool that uses advanced machine learning algorithms to help businesses automate their outreach and customer engagement. What sets this apart is its focus on hyper-personalized marketing, allowing you to target the right people with the right message at the right time. But don't just take my word for it, because I'm going to walk you through what makes it stand out. One of the key benefits of ReachifyMe AI is its ability to help you segment your audience more precisely than you ever thought possible. Whether you're targeting specific demographics or identifying customers based on behavior, this software can help you refine your outreach strategies in real time. This is incredibly useful for anyone running paid ads or building email lists, as you can increase your conversion rates significantly. Next, ReachifyMe AI comes with an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. Even if you're new to AI or don't have a lot of tech experience, you'll find that the platform is accessible and user-friendly. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, making it a perfect fit whether you're just getting started or scaling up. But what really makes ReachifyMe AI stand out is its ability to optimize marketing campaigns automatically. With its powerful algorithm, the software monitors performance in real time and adjusts your marketing strategies as needed. This means less time spent tweaking ads or campaigns and more time spent focusing on growing your business. One thing that often gets overlooked in AI tools is their ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms you may already be using. ReachifyMe AI excels here as well, with direct integrations into popular platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and email marketing tools. This ensures your outreach efforts are unified and efficient. Another standout feature of ReachifyMe AI is its predictive analytics capabilities. The software doesn't just help you understand what's happening now, it helps you predict future trends based on historical data. This is invaluable for businesses that want to stay ahead of the curve and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing, ReachifyMe AI offers a free trial so you can test out the software and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your needs. There's no risk to trying it out, and if you're as impressed as I think you'll find the pricing to be more than fair for the value it provides. Finally, one of the most exciting things about ReachifyMe AI is that it's just getting started. With frequent updates and new features on the horizon, this tool is only going to get better over time. If you're looking to stay at the forefront of AI-powered marketing, this is one you don't want to miss. Now, if you're ready to give it a shot, you can try ReachifyMe AI for free using the first link in the description below. And, by the way, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've compiled my recommended AI software list in the description as well. Tools that have really made a difference in my digital marketing efforts. Go ahead, check them out. Check them.